Hi friends, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Today I will be making a braised chicken recipe. Braising is when you first saute or sear the food at high heat and then cook it with some liquid on low heat. You can make this in a regular pan as well, but believe me, it tastes even better if you make it in a pressure cooker. You won't imagine how just using some basic ingredients we can make such a delicious dish. So let's get started. Here I have taken half of a large onion, some ginger and few cloves of garlic. Put them in a blender with a few tablespoons of water and blend it to a smooth paste. Now let's marinate the chicken. Here I have taken big pieces of bone-in chicken thighs. Always take big pieces for this recipe. With the tip of your knife, prick on the pieces so that all that flavor can penetrate into the chicken while marinating. Now add the ginger garlic onion paste. Squeeze the juice of half of a lime. Add salt as per taste. Little bit of sugar to balance the flavor. Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika and little oil. Mix everything very well with the chicken and let it marinate for at least an hour. The more it marinates, the better it will taste. If you plan to marinate for more than an hour, then please keep it in the refrigerator. Now, if you keep the chicken in the fridge, then remember to take it out from the fridge at least 30 to 40 minutes before cooking. Heat about 4 tablespoons of oil on medium-high heat. Once the oil turns hot, add the chicken one by one in a single layer. Fry it on medium-high heat till it browns up. In the meantime, take the other half of the onion and dice it. I have peeled 2 large potatoes and I will prick these as well with my knife. Potatoes are totally optional. I am adding them as they turn extremely flavorful after soaking up all those delicious juices. Once the chicken gets this gorgeous brown color, turn them to the other side and let that side also turn little brown. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes to develop this color on medium-high heat. See, the other side has also turned brown, so I am going to take them out now in a separate bowl. The chicken is not yet cooked, but that initial browning is necessary to develop the flavor. As you can see, there is still quite a bit of oil in the pan along with those deep brown bits of chicken. I added my onions to it as it is all flavor in there. My camera unfortunately got turned off while adding the onions, so I apologize for that, but all I added were the chopped onions and a cinnamon stick. Just trust me. Stir on medium-low heat for a few seconds. Now this is the liquid in which my chicken was marinating. Do not waste this liquid as it is all flavor in there. Stir it for a few seconds on medium-high heat, then add the potatoes. Mix the potatoes with all those juices. Now comes the final part of cooking. You must be thinking, where is the pressure cooker? Patience, my friends, patience. Take your pan off heat and add the potatoes into the chicken. Then add the pan juices on top. Next, cover your bowl with a lid or an aluminum foil. Finally, my pressure cooker is on high heat. Add water to the pressure cooker pot, then place your bowl in it and close the lid of the pressure cooker. Keep it on high heat till it comes up to full pressure, then reduce the heat to low and pressure cook it for 20 minutes or 25 minutes if you want the meat to fall off the bone. After 25 minutes, open the lid only after all the pressure has been released naturally. Here I want to show you, though I didn't add any water to the bowl, but still see I've got this much of gorgeous gravy, which I just love. You can have this with bread, rice or even roti. Just make a salad by the side and you have a complete meal. With minimum effort, it is really surprising how you can make such a delicious dish. Please check out my other recipes as well, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.